yesterday, my package came in. It is from Eastern Bikes, my favorite bike company in the world. And it was my new Eastern buzzip wheel. I've been wanting this wheel for quite a while. And this will be the first cassette sound check of it. So, here you go. I mean, it's pretty loud. It's $178. Honestly, I would say definitely worth it. Great wheel. I mean, just all around feels great. I love it. I've rode it for, this will be the second day I've rode it, and it feels really solid. Like, instant engagement. Like, it just feels like a good, quality, strong, sturdy wheel. And it is made by Eastern, so definitely a good company. If you go order them or message them on Instagram or Facebook or anything, let them know Nick Hayworth sent you. But yeah, quick review on the Eastern buzzip wheel. Love it, great, would definitely recommend you to buy it. Remember to subscribe, like, and of course comment. Duh. Later, haters.